We will see when time comes. Let us move for this fast phase as per the, you know very well, all the 760 of them. And yes, process will continue. So we will see, we'll work accordingly. Make sure all hawker will be placed in the right position one day. Yes, maybe one time, one shot is not so easy for us, but we are trying to see and help our hawker in such a manner that maybe not to the mark as they want, but we are trying to do the best from the government side. We are fully confident because we are doing for the right thing for you people of the state as a whole. I want my cities to be clean, neat and clean, and we should be living discipline, and that's why we are not throwing them out. We are working nicely in such a manner to put them in the right place. Don't worry, government will do its own job. We are just doing the enforcement drive only to place and put our people in the right direction, because we are trying our best from the government, which is in line with the court order. And you know very well that we are aware, all of us are one that our city should be neat and clean. Yes, we have to respect the pedestrian footpath for the other people who move along the road, and we want to clean and keep the city in the right direction also. And we as government, we are trying to do in such a manner that we are not throwing our people. We are giving a schemes and put them into the good places. You know very well the Moda, which is very right place for the commercial. Yes, previously they request us, don't put us into the where there is no commercial purpose, so we accept it and we do it as per the request, and we are doing our own job. I think we will move ahead. I don't think so they will be against it. Slowly they will be in line with us. That is my request also at the same time.
So is it eviction or right now?
No, not eviction. It's enforced drive only. You see, you know very well. Don't worry, we have already had meeting from time to time along with them, along with the decision only, and that's why we are doing. It's a collective decision. No, nothing. We just came and request me, sir, please give us good space, and we are doing exactly what they request me.
Sir, July 22nd is the deadline. So, in any case, if the hawkers are not willing to move, what action will the state government take in that case? In case the hawkers fails to meet this July 22nd deadline.
Don't worry, I'm having a full confidence they will be cooperating with the government, and if not, the law will take room post. Simple like that.
What type of action,
No,
legal action?
Action is action, because we are following the High Court order.